Tesla is set to roll out its new Robotaxi service in Austin over the weekend.
Elon Musk has been here before, caught in the storm between innovation and controversy. For months, he waded into political debates, stirred global headlines, and watched as Tesla's stock wobbled under the weight of his distractions. But now, something's changed. Musk has pulled back. No more Twitter spats, no more political jabs. Just one mission: rebuild Tesla's image and prove the vision is still alive. To do that, he's putting everything on the line with one bold move: the long-awaited Robotaxi, a driverless future that's been teased for years and delayed just as long. This was supposed to be Tesla's big moment, a revolutionary leap forward, the kind of announcement that sends investors cheering and stocks soaring. But that's not what happened. Instead, Tesla's stock took a hit, dropping almost 4% within hours of the announcement. The markets didn't celebrate. They hesitated. And that raises a bigger question: why? Is the Robotaxi still not ready for commercial use? Is the public losing faith in Musk's promises? Or is this just the calm before the chaos? Let's find out. On June 22, 2025, something monumental is set to happen in Austin, Texas. Tesla will officially launch its Model Y Robotaxi, equipped with the latest version of its much-hyped full self-driving technology. For some, it feels like the future is finally arriving. But for others, it's déjà vu. Because this isn't the first time Elon Musk has promised a robotaxi revolution. Back in 2019, he confidently announced that Tesla's robotaxis would hit the roads by 2020. But as the months passed, so did the deadlines. Technical setbacks, regulatory delays, and overpromises kept pushing the launch further into the future. And the public? They were still waiting. Then came October 2024. Tesla hosted its flashy We Robot event, teasing the world with a prototype. Hype was high, anticipation even higher. But once again, expectations crashed. The prototype underwhelmed. Investors weren't impressed. Tesla's stock plunged by 9% overnight. And just when the company needed stability, Elon Musk turned his attention elsewhere. Instead of doubling down on autonomy, he dove headfirst into politics, rallying behind Donald Trump, firing off controversial tweets, and dragging Tesla into a whirlwind of government drama and crypto antics. The focus on self-driving tech faded, and so did investor confidence. But now, in the wake of backlash and a very public fallout with Trump, Musk seems to be realigning his priorities. The noise is quieting, and his gaze is back where it started, on Tesla. The question is it too late? Now, it finally seems Tesla is ready to test the waters. After years of anticipation and missed deadlines, the company has begun sending out exclusive invitations. Selected individuals, including influencers and well-known Tesla personalities on X, have shared screenshots of emails inviting them to test the new Model Y Robotaxi. The message is clear. The future is no longer coming. It's here. The email reads like something out of a sci-fi movie. As an early access rider, you can be among the first to use our new Robotaxi app and experience an autonomous ride within our geo-fenced area in Austin. You'll have the opportunity to provide valuable feedback on our Robotaxi service. But the fine print tells a different story. No airport trips. Service suspended in bad weather. Every ride shadowed by a Tesla safety monitor in the passenger seat. And behind the scenes, remote drivers are on standby, just in case. The dream of full autonomy, still tethered by reality. Normally, this kind of announcement would send Tesla's stock soaring. But instead, on June 17, 2025, shares dropped nearly 4%. Why? Because just days after announcing the Robotaxi preview, Tesla also confirmed it would temporarily shut down production of its Cybertruck and Model Y at the Austin Gigafactory. The reason? Maintenance. A routine one-week pause starting June 30th. But for investors, this was the third shutdown in a single year, and not a good sign. So now, the question hangs heavy in the air. Is Wall Street losing faith in Tesla's Robotaxi gamble? Or is this just the silence before the storm? Despite the buzz, the cheers, the headlines, Tesla's Robotaxi is already facing a wall of resistance. Underneath all the hype lies a serious problem. A problem regulators haven't fully solved. A problem Tesla hasn't fully addressed. Safety. In the US, Tesla sells two versions of its self-driving software: Autopilot, the basic package, and Full Self-Driving, or FSD, which offers more advanced features like automatic lane changes, steering, and even parking. But here's the dark truth. Vehicles equipped with these systems have been involved in hundreds of crashes, and not just fender benders, fatal ones. According to data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, dozens of people have died while using these so-called driver assist features, and that's with the supervised FSD still requiring a human behind the wheel. But the Robotaxi? That's a whole new level. Tesla's upcoming fleet in Austin isn't running on supervised FSD. It's running on something else, an advanced, unsupervised version. No one behind the wheel, no safety net in the driver's seat, just code, controlling a 4,000-pound machine. So it's no wonder that alarms are ringing. Across Austin, resistance is growing. One of the most vocal opponents is the Dawn Project, a tech safety group that has made it their mission to expose the risks of Tesla's autonomous tech. They've held protests, released damning safety videos, and now they're rallying against the Robotaxi rollout. Because while Tesla promises innovation, others see a ticking time bomb. To prove their point, the Dawn Project didn't just speak out. They staged a chilling demonstration. Using a Tesla Model Y equipped with the current full self-driving software, the group simulated a common but critical scenario. A school bus, stopped with its flashing red lights on. A child-sized mannequin suddenly pulled into the road, mimicking a child running to catch the bus. The Tesla didn't stop. It drove straight past the extended stop sign and struck the mannequin. For Dan O'Dowd, the founder of the Dawn Project, this wasn't just a failed test. It was a wake-up call. Any human being would have stopped, he said. The lights were flashing. The stop sign was out. The law is clear. But this software didn't hesitate. In his words, Tesla's full self-driving software is nowhere near done. And yet, the company is preparing to unleash an even more advanced, unsupervised version onto public roads. But safety activists aren't the only ones raising red flags. Just last week, a group of Democratic lawmakers from Texas stepped in. They issued a formal letter to Tesla, urging the company to delay the Robotaxi launch until September 1st, the date when new state laws governing autonomous vehicles are set to take effect. In their letter to Tesla's field quality director, Eddie Gates, the lawmakers didn't mince words. They called the delay essential for public safety and demanded full transparency. They want proof that Tesla will comply with the new regulations before it puts passengers, pedestrians, and entire neighborhoods at risk. Because in their eyes, this isn't just a test of technology, it's a test of responsibility. With all the pressure building, one question remains. Can Tesla actually deliver? Despite the protests, political pushback, and regulatory scrutiny, all signs point to the same outcome. The Robotaxi launch is moving forward. June 22nd is the date, and unless something drastic happens, it's full speed ahead. Tesla's invitation makes it clear. To ease the growing fears, every Robotaxi ride in Austin will have a Tesla safety monitor seated in the front passenger seat, ready to intervene if needed. Behind the scenes, remote monitors will be watching every move, every turn, every stop. It's not just a test drive. It's a live experiment in the middle of a bustling city. But here's what makes this even more high stakes. Elon Musk isn't just betting on the Robotaxi as a product. He's betting the entire future of Tesla on it. In recent months, Musk has shifted his focus from selling EVs to something far more ambitious, a fully autonomous fleet of robotaxis and even humanoid robots. Traditional car sales? That's old news. Musk sees Tesla's destiny in software, AI, and automation. Not every investor agrees with this vision. And after Musk's chaotic alignment with the Trump administration's Doge project, many are still reeling. The backlash was brutal. Tesla's brand took a hit. Now, the Austin Robotaxi rollout could change the narrative or cement the damage. If it works, It could reignite investor confidence, reshape the company's future, and put Tesla back at the forefront of innovation. But if it fails, the consequences could be far more expensive than just a dip in stock price. Despite the controversy and caution, some believe Tesla is standing on the edge of a breakthrough. Wall Street heavyweight Dan Ives of Wedbush sees the Robotaxi launch as more than just a product drop. He sees it as the start of a new empire. In a recent note, he called it the golden era of autonomous for Tesla, predicting that if the rollout goes right, it could catapult the company's market cap past $2 trillion by the end of next year. There will be setbacks, Ives admitted, but Tesla's unmatched global scale gives it a unique edge. We believe they not only have a chance to dominate the autonomous space, but eventually license their self-driving tech to other automakers worldwide. But Tesla's not alone in this race. For years, Alphabet's Waymo and GM's Cruise have been paving the way, operating fully driverless ride-hailing services in cities like Phoenix and San Francisco. Their approach has been slow and methodical, geo-fenced zones, thousands of hours of safety driver testing, and incremental rollouts. Tesla, on the other hand, is charging ahead with a very different playbook. Instead of tightly controlled expansions, Musk is tapping into Tesla's massive fleet of existing owners and betting everything on vision-only technology. No LiDAR, no radar, just cameras and code. It's bold, it's fast, and according to critics, it's dangerously aggressive. Because while others tiptoe into the future, Tesla is sprinting into it, with the entire world watching. Now, Elon Musk may insist that Tesla's Robotaxi venture isn't about the competition, but the numbers say otherwise. Because while Waymo and Cruise are already on the road, Tesla is still trying to catch up, and time isn't on their side. Over the past 6 months, Tesla's stock has taken a beating, down more than 27%. It's been a steep drop, fueled by public missteps, political controversy, and growing doubt over whether Tesla can actually deliver on its ambitious promises. Today, the stock is hovering in the low 320s, and that's with the Robotaxi buzz and Musk's renewed focus already priced in. In other words, investors aren't just buying shares, they're buying hope. The hope that Tesla can pull off one of the most difficult pivots in tech history, transitioning from simply building electric vehicles to monetizing autonomous technology at scale. Because this launch isn't just another product debut, it's a test of confidence, of capability, of the future, and whether it ends in triumph or turbulence, the world will be watching.